Alright, so now we've already gone over how to actually make a latte. I'm going to show you a few ways in this clip how you can make even better lattes. There's a lot of combinations that you can do with lattes, especially if you have a lot of flavors. So right now, again, I'm steaming the milk, getting it ready for my latte. Got to make sure that you got fresh steamed milk with each latte. Otherwise the milk just tastes bad and it separates. So I'm rolling the milk right now. Getting that foam. Alright, this is about good. Alright, now we're going to make a chocolate latte. What you have to do is know the amount of chocolate that your pump is pumping out, first of all. So this pump is ½ ounce per pump. So I know that if I do 2 pumps, that's going to be 1 ounce. Which, for about this cup of coffee, this is about a 10-ounce cup. That's going to be just about right. So let's do that. So we got 1, 2 full pumps. You're making sure that you go down all the way and back up all the way so that you're getting all the chocolate. Alright, we're going to put in our ounce of espresso. Make sure now you're going to be stirring this together. So right now, so far in the latte, we have the chocolate and the espresso. Next comes the milk. There we have that. And just to be awesome, we're going to top it off with some whipped cream. And there we have a mocha latte.